Hey, I'm Isaiah Cardona, and I'm a multi-hyphen creative that loves incorporating hand-drawn animations into my projects using Procreate Dreams. And if you know me from my animation tutorials on YouTube or my popular online classes, then you know I am passionate about making the world of animation accessible to non-animators. In this class, you will create a fun and dynamic looping animation in Procreate Dreams while learning about traditional animation techniques. We will walk through the frame-by-frame animation process, how to morph one drawing into another, how to create a smear animation, as well as how to use straight-ahead animation to create liquid animations. And we won't stop there. I will also walk you through how you can combine these techniques to create a more dynamic animation. Lastly, I'll show you how to export your animations for different uses so you can share them in any way you want. Adding animation to your illustrations is a lot easier than you think. You don't need any previous animation experience to take this class. I have designed this class to help illustrators and anyone else who loves drawing and wants to add some motion to their work. All you need is an iPad, Apple Pencil, and Procreate Dreams app. If you're ready to take your illustrations to the next level with animation, then let's get started.